Dad, I know you will enjoy this food.
Why not? I trust you. You're a good cook. You cook like your mother. Sometimes when I look at you, the dishes, it takes me back to the memory of my life.
Who is at home? Omachi.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh. Naija.
Somebody say no. You come where? Join us.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm fine.
Come on, join us.
Thank you. I'm fine.
You have seat.
Thank you. My love, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince. Welcome, my prince. Please join us as my father said.
Oh, no, thank you. I came to see you and to have some words with you. Nai, I hope that wouldn't be a problem.
There's no problem, my prince. Instead, I want to make you brief because she has just started eating.
No problem. No problem.
Adam,
No.
you had the prince very well.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and give him attention. I think you're doing properly.
Thank you.
No. Go ahead.
Enjoy your food, though.
I will enjoy it. Even your own. Good. Yes, I do hope that within a very short time now, I become an in-law of the king of Dikeh. Hey! This is my daughter self.
My friend, you see, I think we should just go straight to my kingdom and have some nice time together.
No, I don't think I can go with you to your kingdom today. You know I have a lot of things to do at home. And my father needs me too. You know, like a wife and daughter to him.
Your father all the time, my love. Is your father going to marry you? And besides, I asked them to prepare bushmeat and I bought fresh palm wine for us. Let's just go and have some time together.
No, my father is not going to marry me. Okay, if you want me to always be with you, then come and pay my bride price. And you can have me to yourself forever.
That's what you always say. Forgetting that I am the prince of my kingdom and there are a lot of traditional things to be done before I can take any woman as my wife. Listen, especially you that is not from the same kingdom. I want my father to see how serious we are so that they can support us.
Are you saying your people don't support us?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I just want you to understand how much I want to be with you.
My prince.
Yes, mother.
Are you sure you truly love that girl called Omachi?
Yes, mother, I do. Is there anything wrong?
Nothing. But you have to visit Ezemo to know if she is truly made for you. Yes. I don't want you to make mistakes. You are my only son and a prince in this kingdom. And this kingdom believes and looks up to you. You know.
My sweet mother, Ugo is the one of Obodoma kingdom. I, your son, will not disappoint you. Trust me.
Yes. I trust you, my son. I know you will not disappoint me. It's okay.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my queen.
Ako, what is it?
Nothing. My prince, the king asked me to call you.
Can you imagine this boy I asked you what the problem is, and you said nothing. At the same time, you're asking my son that the king wants to see him. Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my queen. The message was for the prince and not for you. That's why I said so.
Come on, get out of here! It's okay, it's okay.
My father.
My prince, you're welcome.
May you live long, my father.
You are blessed. Blessed. Thank you. You're welcome.
Father, you sent for me.
Oh yes, my son. I want you to accompany me to somewhere.
I hope.
And it must be now.
I hope there is nothing
There is
wrong.
no problem whatsoever. When we get there, you will find out whatever. Okay?
So let's go.
Okay. My lord.
Okay.
How are you? Come on, let me help you.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. I'll do it myself.
But I can't myself.
I'll do it myself. Don't worry. Welcome. Come and sit.
My lord.
Okay.
Where's your father?
Oh, he just left the house now.
Good. So how are you?
Fine. Okay. Do you know that I saw that same goat yesterday at my father's farm?
Which goat?
Have you forgotten so quick? That same goat I told you that destroyed my father's farm last season.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Have you told your father about this?
Yes, I did. He felt so bad as well as I did. But there's one thing about these goats. We don't know where this goat comes from and who owns the goat. Seriously, it's very, very strange.
That means this goat is not just ordinary.
I think so.
Nevertheless, I'm not here for us to talk about goats. I'm here for us to talk about us. I want us to swim together.
Us? You can't do it.
No.
I said I would do it.
My friend, take your drink. This is just fresh from the palm tree this morning. Okudile, my friend, forget about this wine now. My burden is more than wine. I came into your house with a bleeding heart. Okudile, you and I know very well that last farming season ended in vain. I did not pick anything from my farm because an unknown animal went there and cleared the farm, destroyed the rest. Now, this is Nigerian. Has just barely started. And my daughter went to the farm and came back reporting to me that she saw a goat in our farm grazing. I thought she was not serious. But I went to the farm and saw the goat myself with my two naked eyes. I now decided to come to your house so that we can rub minds together and chart a new course. Let me know from you. You have great wisdom. What do I do now?
What shall we call this? What shall we call this? My friend. Eh? Hey! Abambo. Otunogwe. Aboibo. Otunogwe. Babu yogwe kaina bidira. Well, my friend, if I am to say, I will advise you, whenever you go to your farm and see that goat around or inside your farm, grazing, kill it! I say, kill it!
Okay? You're a good friend. So, kill it is the answer?
Yes!
I'm satisfied with this answer. Thank you.
I
cannot go ahead and
drink it.
Again, Papa, this goat, Papa, Nam, 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 Nam,
Shh.
Nam.
Oh, Machim, what is it?
Nam, I saw the goat again.
Eh?
The farm.
In my farm?
Yes.
Wait.
Nam, hurry. Fast, please. Yes.
I will end it. Let's go. We must end it today.
Yes.
Let's end it today. Go down and look for it. Go a little bit down.
Yay.
Hey. Damage my Omachim.
Nam.
Come, my daughter, come. You know what? We shall sit down here and wait for it. Yes, finally reach and make yourself comfortable.
Nam, don't worry about myself. Don't worry about me. Just sit down. Let me stand down. Watch out.
Hey!
Maybe the goat will come out.
Yes, be vigilant. Why must I always crack pankaness for? Vows.
Nam, this is the goat that I saw with my eyes. Hey!
And now it is nowhere to be seen.
Can you imagine?
Imagine. It is time to go. Since we have waited and couldn't find the goat, let's go. We failed to see it today. Tomorrow is another day.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nam, take it easy. Are you to stay here? Or you don't understand me? I said take these things back to your place and give it to him. Tell him that I'm no longer interested, so I can't receive gifts from him. Leave my father's compound. Do you understand?
We can't stand the anger of the prince.
According to what you told me yesterday about him, I suggest you should give him more time as he waits. Because it is not easy to have a prince as a man. I'm saying this because royalty is sweet. Who's talking about royalty? My friend, my father is very important to me now more than anyone. So, my focus now is on how to make him happy. No? Seriously.
That is what I am saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. Marry the prince, and this will give your father the greatest happiness on earth. And it will give him long life. I mean, he will swing in money. Even me, your friend. What is it? What? I've heard you. Please, accept the prince.
I said I've heard you.
Fine.
Can we not talk about the prince now and discuss something more important?
Of course, since you've accepted, why not? My friend will marry the prince. My friend will get married to the prince. Wait for me, wait for me.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Let me see. Every day is for the thief. One day is for the owner.
How is it?
Look for it anywhere. Huh? Search for it.
Hey, look at it now.
Where?
Look at it, look at it. Hey, look at that. Look at the goat. Hey. Nam, kill it! Kill this stupid goat! Let me see how you will come here and eat our crops. Stupid goat.
Idiot. It is dead.
Yes.
Let me see how it will come in here to spoil my crops for me any longer.
Come on, stupid goat. My father, you have done so well. Let me see how this goat will come and be eating all our
Nonsense.
country.
Let us take it away from our farm. Let us take it away from our farm.
Nanda, thank you very much.
Let's see how to come back again.
Now, of course, it will be very good. We'll say, I will say happy to the first of my own. What is it? What kind of stupid person is that? Talk to me! Wait! It's still your big one! What are you
say I am pregnant. How can I be pregnant? I am not! You can't go and tell the prince that you're pregnant for him. Because you are pregnant for him. He's waiting all over you. Don't forget that my mother is a midwife. And she taught me the signs of early pregnancy from my prince. Keep on me, you're pregnant. Oh wow! Your friend is wicked. No, the prince likes you. You'll be happy to know that you're coming. Let's go. Ashika, let's go. We should go. The prince will not let you go. You're supposed to go with the prince. Let's go. No.
Where do you think you are going? Oh, Marisha. You think we don't know? A daughter of a great farmer like you. You think you don't know that you are pregnant? Nyeka has already told us everything. Yes. You know what? When you go home, you pray to our gods. If not, nobody will talk to you again in this village until your death. Little witch.
Tell her. She thinks we don't know. Look at her. Little witch.
Everyone who killed the messenger of the gods, and you did not care to come and tell the gods. You did not care to come and ask questions from the gods. Everyone, your farm was destroyed last year to make you to come and ask questions. Instead, you went ahead to kill the messenger of the gods. For that, you shall become a messenger to the gods. This is an assignment. You must do it, or you will be excommunicated from this entire village. I have spoken. This is the words of the gods.
Listen more. Let it be known to you very clearly that I, Egwonwu, will never, I repeat, never serve the gods. I am not from the lineage of servants of the gods.
You cannot challenge the will of the gods. I have spoken.
No. There is trouble. So, this is all about the gods all this while, eh? What are we going to do now? I told you to go to the SMO and inquire. You refused. Instead, you decided to do the wish of your friend. Now look at this now.
My daughter, there is no trouble at all. Instead, there is peace. I made it clear to the SMO that I, your father, will never serve the gods. We are not from the lineage of servants of gods.
Nam, don't forget that the SMO is the eye of the gods and the mouth that speaks for our people. He has the final say. Nobody questions the SMO and goes scot-free now. Nam, you have to do something now. You have to do something. Nobody refuses his order in this village.
I need to be left alone. I want to be left alone! I want to be left alone, Omachi! Come on, mom. How much him? Thank the gods that this our farm is not doing badly. They are doing well, as you can see. Especially now that we have killed the evil goat.
Yes, Father, you are very right. Look at our farm. Our farm is growing very well.
Please, let's be fast so we can go before the sun gets too harsh on us.
Okay.
It is said that the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. This farmland which you cultivate belongs to the gods whom you refuse to follow their way. Until you accept, you can be free to farm on this farmland. Now leave. Leave!
Listen more. I have told you several times that I cannot serve the gods. In fact, I refuse to serve the gods.
How dare you speak such before me? Do you want me to turn you to a tortoise? Do you want me to turn you to a little tortoise? Now leave! Leave! Leave here now!
Mom, please go.
You dare not challenge the gods!
Great warriors of Obama Kingdom.
This is my prince.
I summon all of you to go in search of my wife and my son. You all know what has been going on in this palace. Go in search of them and make sure you bring them back to me. People, Chris, will you stay back with me? Ini, Prince, you will join them. Okay, man. May the gods of our land guide you as you go and bring you back in peace. Thank you, my Prince. You may go now.
you find them?
No. What? Oh. Come on, let's go.
Did you find them? Did you see any of them?
No.
What?
Why?
I said, come, let me tell you.
I'm
not coming.
I'm not coming.
Come here. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Milo, do you still remember our song?
Our song?
Yes. Our song.
Yes.
Okay, sing for me.
Promise me you will not laugh.
Go ahead and sing. I haven't laughed at you before.
No, promise.
I promise.
Okay. Okpara mo ahụrụ gị n'anya ike na ya sọ gị ka ahụrụ n'anya agaghị m ahapụ gị sọ gị ka m ga-anụ
Oh, wonderful. Now I see. Okay. Ọmachimo apụna nwụmụ Ọmachimo ọdịnobimo Ọmachimo ugegbe m ji eje mba Ọmachimo enerebu jọlụ Ọmachimo enebu kwegbe I love you so much.
I love you too.
I can't wait for us to start living together and make our own children.
Me too. That is what I've always wanted.
We are family forever.
Yes. No!
Don't follow me. I'm going to my maternal room. I'll be back. Okay? Don't follow me.
How did you do? Were you able to find them?
We did not see any of them. We searched the whole community, even in the market space, and in the deepest forest. He is nowhere to be found. What about the priest? Where is he?
The prince had an attack yesterday.
What?
He has gone to his maternal home. But he left an instruction that we should guard the kingdom. So everybody should be at alert. Okay?
No problem.
Ezemo, I didn't find her.
She left in the night so as to safeguard her child. They are safe where they are. She loves you. So, go home and relax. This battle is not yours, but of the gods. The prince will be brought back so that Lolo can be healed. And the king buried, probably. And you will become the king of the kingdom. Go! Go! For the gods have forgiven you.
No look on the look. Asna makebo efenenu. No bre adnana. Oko melo. Oko sede. Ndimbo na ndekete. Ekede mu no. Ha.
That child belongs to our kingdom and not yours. He is our future king. So, stay away from him and his mother.
One sad little bird, after eating and its belly is full, will decide to challenge its chief in a contest. How dare you step your feet here? How dare you step your feet here and to speak for our prince? Who are you to speak for the prince? Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight now before I turn you to a little tortoise.
You are too small for me to handle. Very, very small thing you are for me to handle. I will leave here now, but I promise you one thing. I am going to come back. But do not say I did not warn you. Makanu pano bokobulu ntichiria. A stubborn grasshopper ends up in a Hamatan fire.
You are lucky. At the right time, we shall know who is who. We shall know who is who. Come!
Ezemo, why are you here?
Wear this as a mark of protection till the battle is over. Do not be afraid. For the gods and the chi of a mother's palace, I will kill.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! Hey! What am I seeing in my kingdom? No! 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 Hey! Hey! No!
Modern Momulang. Modern Momulang. Ibu. Okay, we are to look at the news. Onye mwa kulungu ne kwa swaba misio. Ta! Okay, we are to look at the nsi. Onye kuchiyezo amenaro, onye menazo ya no niru. Onye meniru ya no nazo. Onye meniru na menazo ya no netiti napa. Omu mwa kedi bi asengi weriye. Oda kiyo. No kedi pa kuchiyezo so ya remember.
Wherever you go, I will go with you. It is not over until it is over.
Ebe fane meko